So I'm going to show you one job posting that broke the internet completely. As we all know, ChatGPT is a disruptive technology that has completely revolutionized how we do things and how we see the internet. And it has shown that just by writing simple prompts like the one I covered in other videos, you can check up here and also check the description of this video. Let's say a link to free ebook, which is a compilation of ChatGPT prompts. You can use it for free. You can use it for anything you want. Now, this just by writing this prompt, there's a job posting that came out recently. And it's crazy and it's massive. So let's head over to my browser and see what I'm talking about. Okay, now the job posting was done by Entropy. Entropy's mission is to create reliable, interpretable, and steerable AI systems. We want AI to be safe for our customers and for the society at large. Now, the person is going to work on to discover, test, and document best practices for a wide range of tasks relevant to our clients as to their clients, build up a library of high quality prompt chains to accomplish a variety of tasks with an easy guide to help users search for the one that meets their need. Now, I created a document, as I said, it's in the description of this video. Also, I made a video on how to go about your prompting. I made a video about what ChatGPT is all about and a beginner's guide to ChatGPT. So you can check it out. It's over here. Go through that video and you'll learn what I'm talking about in this particular video. So let's get back in, and it's talking about let's see the compensation, all these other stories. Let's see the compensation and benefits. So you get a salary of between 175,000 to 335,000 per annum. That's crazy. It's super awesome. Currently, it's not a remote role, but it just shows that in the nearest future you're going to see so many jobs coming out, especially that require the services of prompt engineers. So it's high time you get into writing prompts. I made a video also on how to sell your prompts and make $1,000 monthly. You can check it over here. Now, you might not get this job because this job is actually, I think, in the US, if I'm not mistaken. So if you're not in the US, you might not get this job, but then you can actually use ChatGPT. But then you have other options. You can sell your prompts from that video, and then also you can start learning how to use ChatGPT to write ebooks and sell them on Amazon. You can write ebooks and sell them anywhere. There's other sites where you can sell your ebooks and all. You can use ChatGPT for everything. You can use ChatGPT for even your offline roles. Maybe you work in an offline office. You can even use ChatGPT to write letters, cover letters, memoirs, anything you can think about. You can use ChatGPT to write that. So this is just an example. Just a tip of an iceberg. This is just a tip of the iceberg for the possibilities of being a prompt engineer.